question that people like to ask: why is it the financial industry one of the highest paying industry in the world? Well, straightforward. Everything requires money. So because everything requires money, everybody needs to know how to make money, save money, grow their money, and how to protect their money. So why is the financial industry one of the highest paying industry in the world, and why does financial service industry creates the most millionaires as well? It's because everybody needs help with their money. Everybody needs advice, they need education, and they definitely need direction. And that's the reason why the financial service industry is one of the highest and one of the most lucrative industry to be in, because everybody needs what you have. Not everybody needs it, and everybody wants it, because guess what? They need to have it if they want to have a stronger financial foundation. So the financial industry is one of the highest paying industry in the world, and for the very reasons because money is always involved. And anywhere there's money, someone needs to learn how to make it, save it, grow it, and protect it. And it's important for you to be the person that can offer that service to them and make a really very lucrative income from it. So guys, the great thing about it is that you also don't even require a lot of qualification to be even certified. All you need is to get your license, get a great mentor, study the industry, learn the industry, and then go out and teach the industry. And all that could happen for you in less than 90 days if you're really someone that's serious, focused, and productive. So that's how we show you and teach you how to build, lead, and focus, and how to make, save, grow, and protect your money, and understand why you need to learn how to be loyal to learning, and definitely trust your mentor and leadership. And most importantly, respect yourself and your clients and your business partners, and you'll be doing well in this industry too. I see you at the top.